So if you could just please introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Rajab Maliki Jula. I'm a teacher of Pangani Secondary School.
And what do you teach?
I teach English as well as history.
Thank you. What module of this workshop did you find the most useful?
The module that I found it is most useful for me is module 4.
And why is that?
Because it is based on how to ask a mix of questions in the classes in order to encourage certain skills such as critical thinking, team working, problem solving, and actively listening through Bloom's taxonomy.
Thank you. And which new ideas do you think you will implement in your classroom?
Preparation of lesson notes by themselves.
Thank you. Is there anything else that you think you will do differently after the training than you did before?
Yeah. Before I got this training, I was just teaching history and English without leaving the students without giving the students time to think themselves. But after getting this training, after teaching, I always give them the time to think, and then I come out with good answers from them.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.